So to install 1010 app, you just go and search for 1010 in the iOS App Store. Here is the App Store, and then here is the app. This is how it looks like, built by 1010. By the way, it's quite a small team of developers who are building and sustaining this app, so well done. And then you can just tap on Get, and then you will be able to install this app on iOS. You can also install this app on Android, so it's also available on Android as well. So let's say we just installed it, and then you will see this screen. So what you should do next? So obviously the next thing is that you need to create an account. So let's tap. So you tap Let's Go, and here you see basically 4 buttons how to create an account in this app. You can sign in with Apple, sign in with Google, sign in with TikTok, use phone or email. I would really recommend you just to create an account using Apple, Google or TikTok. It's just kind of easier and it's more reliable, because this app has some bugs with signing in and with creating an account. And if you tap on using your phone or email, you can see you can create your account with email. But you can't create your account with a phone number. If you try to create an account with the phone number, it kind of like doesn't work. So you can only log in with a phone number. And with email as well, there can be some glitches where if you just create your account with email, it's not gonna work. You're not gonna receive your confirmation text. So that's one thing. So what I did, I just created an account with Apple. But let's just see, you can also do that with TikTok. And I will just show you how it looks like for a new account. This looks like that. So when you sign in and trying to create new account, you enter your full name, and then the next thing, which is a bit annoying, you need to add more friends. So you need at least one friend to accept your request to be able to create an account. So unfortunately, that's just what it is. The good news is that you don't need like 3 friends or 5 friends. Some apps are really strict and you need to invite like 5 friends to begin using them. In this app, it's only 1 person, but still you need to invite your friend. And then that friend needs to accept your invite. So that friend needs to download 1010 app and accept your invite, and then you will be able to get in. Unless you have that, you will see this message that, hey, add more friends, waiting for one of your friends to accept your request, and it can take forever. So what you need is just basically, here is your PIN in top right. So here is your PIN code, which you can share with your friend. So just share this code with your friend, and then your friend should take this code and add you as a friend in 1010 app. So that also works. PIN, what is like PIN in 1010 is basically like your 1010 username. So they don't have usernames, they just have a PIN codes. That's basically how this app works. So yeah, here you have that. So this is just like your account until you add your friend, and you can be stuck on the screen forever until you add your friend. And you can tap on the plus and add your friend by PIN. That, like, imagine this is your friend doing, and then that's how it looks like.